Hello mga kabiyahe! Let's continue our Cebu trip. This time, mag-Cebu City and Mountain Tour naman tayo. Isang araw na punong-puno ng views, history, food, and great memories. First stop, si Rao Flower Farm, ang mini Amsterdam ng Cebu. Sa sobrang dami at sobrang ganda ng mga bulaklak na makikita dito. Next up, the Grand Temple of Leia. Kung kanina nasa Amsterdam tayo, ngayon naman para naman tayong nasa Rome, all within Cebu City.
Second location check for the day. We're here at Temple of
Leia!
Sana all lahat ng lolo dito mayaman. Lolo adar na.
O diba, ang picturesque ng lugar at ang ganda ng city view. Then, quick visit to the Taoist Temple. Tahimik, peaceful, and very relaxing. After all that walking, lunch time na. Diretso na tayo sa House of Lechon. Now, officially a Michelin Guide restaurant. Crispy, juicy, at legit napakasarap. Please, if ever you're in Cebu, do not skip this place. I repeat, do not skip this place. After natin mabusog, balik city tour mode na ulit. We stop by the Cebu Heritage Monument kung saan makikita ang highlights ng Cebu history in one spot. Optional stop, Yap San Diego Old House. Old school vibes, wooden floor, at parang bumalik sa panahon ng Kastila. Next, we visit the Cebu Cathedral. Then a few steps away, ang iconic,
Magellan's Cross!
simple pero sobrang bigat na kasaysayan. From there, tuloy tayo sa Pambansang Museo ng Pilipinas, Cebu, kung saan makikita ang art, culture, at kwento ng Visayas. Then, time travel naman tayo sa Fort San Pedro, ang pinakamatandang fort sa bansa. Picture muna, konting lakad at konting history lesson. As the day winds down, dumaan tayo sa CC-Lex, ang longest bridge in the world. Ang ganda, lalo na pag golden hour. Solid pang end ng tour. Last stop, ang romantic at magical 10,000 Roses. Perfect pang night shots at final memories sa Cebu.
Shout out to Kuya Melchor.
Thank you to Familiado Cebu Transport! Woo!
Grabe, sobrang saya ng aming Cebu and Bohol trip dahil kay Kuya
Perfect.
Melchor and
Yeah.
his business.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kuya.
God bless!
Again, thank you for watching mga kabiyahe. Yun lang, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat!